I love rainbows. I love unicorns. I love Too Faced. Greetings, Earthlings! You guessed it, I am back with another TJ Maxx high-end discount clearance beauty haul. I have a very serious question to ask you. I have seen channels where people do this sort of thing, but they just take you into the store and show you what there is. I do like the way that I do it, where I just go shopping, find the good stuff, buy it, try it on, and review it and swatch it, but it's costing me a lot of money. Like a lot. Like I love doing this, but it costs me a lot of money. So let me know if you want me to continue to do it the way that I do, or just to be brave and go into the store with my camera and show you everything that I find, because I do find a lot of other good stuff that I don't pick up. So let me know what you want, if I should switch to doing it like that, keep doing it like this, or maybe do both, because I don't know, like I feel like it could be more beneficial if I just go into the store, show you everything that I find, and then only buy the stuff that I'm like, woo, you know, instead of just buying a bunch of little things and being like, hey, look what I got. Yeah, so seriously, let me know, because I'm poor. I am too poor to keep doing this. I enjoy it, but I don't know. And also, let me know if you want to see any Halloween looks. When I first started my channel around a year ago, I did quite a few Halloween looks. I mean, they were like really simple because I really don't think I'm that good at makeup. But let me know if you'd watch those, because I know a lot of you are here for some quality TJ Maxx and Marshall's beauty. But let me know if you'd be willing to see some other stuff too, okay? Love you. So let's get started. The first thing I got was a BECCA Aqualuminous Perfecting Foundation in the shade Beige. This has been out in these stores for a while now, but I was nervous to get it because I'm more of a matte foundation kind of person, and I've had a lot of bad luck with foundations that I've picked up from these stores. I'm really picky. There's probably like 2 or 3 foundations that I know that I like and I stick to. This one was $12.99. It is still available on Sephora for the full price of $44, and it is currently on sale at Ulta for $30. I actually don't hate this. It's definitely not my favorite, like very far from my favorite, but that's my own preference. It's supposed to be like really lightweight, but shockingly, like it feels heavy on my skin. I'm not sure why. I used like 3 little drops because it really isn't super coverage, but it's also not as bad as I expected it to be. It's, I don't know. I don't know. It's not my cup of tea, but it's not as bad as some other things that I have experienced. I am actually thinking about maybe trying it again, but with one of the Cover Effects custom cover drops that I found in my last video that went terribly wrong, just to get a little bit more coverage and maybe to lighten the shade a little bit, because this kind of turns orange on me. I am willing to try that out, and I'm not horribly upset about this. I did use the BECCA Ever Matte Poreless Primer beforehand, which is like the most mattifying primer ever, just to be prepared, because this, I don't know, like I said, I'm not a luminous kind of foundation person, but I don't hate it, so I don't feel like this was a waste of. Alright, so in my last video, I showed you how I was super excited to find this Too Faced Unicorn Tears highlighting stick, which I think is absolutely adorable and beautiful, but I don't know if I will ever use it because it is not the most wearable product, and I don't ever plan on going to Coachella. But this time I found the actual highlighter, the powder one, the Too Faced Unicorn Strobe highlighting. And look how cute that is. Like, I can't get over, like, these little stars in the unicorn are like, you can like feel it. They're gold, and it's got that holographic there in the rainbow. Now this also is not the most wearable highlight, obviously. And when it was released, it came out with a special brush that I actually did find at Marshall's like last weekend, but I didn't get because it was like $13 for like a brush that I didn't think I was ever gonna use, and you're supposed to like swipe it across and then go and then suddenly have like a rainbow on your face. I'm wearing it today, but I stuck to these 2 shades right here, like the orange and the goldish yellow one, because I wanted it to be somewhat wearable. I mean, you could, like I did, like split it up and do a bunch of different combinations of colors or swirl it around. It's not like super pigmented though, so it's not like a blue highlight or a purple highlight. It's really cute. It's something that I'm probably just gonna swatch a lot and maybe play with when I don't plan on going outside. But I love it. I love rainbows. I love unicorns. I love Too Faced. Okay, so another Too Faced product that I got. My mom actually found this for me because she's amazing. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons eyeshadow palette. I have found the semi-sweet chocolate bar palette at TJ Maxx, and this one I think I actually like more. First of all, it's a little bit cuter because everything's in the shape of a heart. The mattes, at least the ones that I tried, were real smooth. I did have a hard time blending, but I think that could be my own fault because like I said, I'm not really that good at makeup and I have zero patience for blending, zero. And the shade that I ended up using the most of that I really liked is this one right here called Bordeaux. And after a while, it started to look like I had a black eye. Like, it looked like I had been sucker punched in the face. Just because of the shade, and the blending was just like the worst. But I don't know, I like it. I think it's really cute. And then I use this shade right here, Café au Lait. I don't know French. Just like this silver metallic color on the lid. And I actually like how it turned out. I really honestly did plan on going for a more warm golden look to match my fall nails, but I don't know, I always get sucked into cool toned eyeshadows. And speaking of eyeshadows, I feel really dumb because the next thing that I got, I thought was a liquid eyeshadow. It's the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil. And I got this purple shade Televator. I already have it swatched right here. And then this other like champagne-y pale gold shade called Thunderstruck. I thought that this would be really cool on the eye and this would be a nice like highlight for the eye. Until I looked real closely at this small and hard to read font. It's a liquid lipstick. These are two terrible shades for liquid lipsticks. Had I known these were liquid lipsticks, I would have gotten like the pinky magenta ones that they have, but I'm dumb. I did take the palish one in Thunderstruck and I put it on top of the lipstick that I'm wearing. I'm wearing Cookie Dough from the Too Faced Christmas Treats. And I mean, it's pretty. I don't think this shade would perform very well on its own, but the purple shade might be okay on its own because purple lipstick is a thing. But like I said, if I would have known these were lipsticks, I would have gotten something more wearable because I keep buying non-wearable makeup. And then, I've mentioned these in like 2 or 3 other videos already because I am obsessed with them. These are the only drugstore things that I got. These are the Milani Moisture Lock Lip Treatments. I am obsessed with these. Obsessed. These are number 7 and 8 to my collection. This one is Pomegranate and this one is Peach, and these are just the best. I use them all the time. I layer and cake them on at night before bed. I do it in the morning. I do it throughout the day. I put a tiny bit on before I do my lipstick because it just makes lip pencils and everything just glide on so smoothly, but I only use the tiniest bit because it's super creamy. I love these so much. These were $2.99 a piece and they're $8 on the Milani website. And speaking of, I forgot, these Everlasting Glimmer Veils, I paid $7.99 a piece and they are on sale for like 15 bucks on the Sephora website, originally 22. And then the Too Faced Unicorn Highlighter, it is on sale on the Too Faced website for 27, originally 30. And then I did get a skincare item. This is the Too Cute for School Bling Bling Pumpkin Party just face kit thing. It comes with a 24 karat gold mask for vitality and radiance. This is $8 on the Ulta website. And then it came with a pumpkin sleeping pack that is an enzyme peeling and pumpkin nutrition mask. This is a 1.01 fluid ounce. The full size is 3.03 or 3.3 or something. So this is like a third of the full size, and that one is $20. So you do the math for however much this is worth, and I paid $9.99 for the pack. I have not tried them out yet, obviously, but it's fall, y'all. That was embarrassing. Okay, so last things. A few videos ago, I talked about how I collect the Vera Wang princess perfumes and how the majority of them I have gotten from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Ross, because a lot of them are discontinued. Well, actually, like all but like 3 of them are like, no, maybe 2. I think the only one that's always around is the original. But every year they come out with a new one, and then it's donezo. But I haven't found them anywhere in so long, and Ulta hasn't sold any besides the Princess Revolution one that I got back in like 2016, and I haven't been able to find any anywhere else. But I found this one, Vera Wang Princess Noir, for $19.99. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. I went to the Vera Wang website, and they still had a link for it because this one came out last year, and it took me to the Kohl's website, which is I think the only place that still currently sells it at full price. The 1 fluid ounce was $45, and a 1.7 fluid ounce of these is usually $60, even though that wasn't available. So technically, this is worth $60. And I actually really like it. Obviously, I didn't smell it first because it was all wrapped up and they don't have testers, but I really like it. It's described as a patchouli, fruity, sweet cacao evening scent, and I really like it. Yeah, I love these perfumes. I love them so much. Well, my good friends, that is it for this haul. Please give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't give it a thumbs down. That's not an option. It's not an option. Nope. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Please, please, please. It can be my Christmas present from all of you. Hit that subscribe button so I can eventually make money from this channel and continue to buy makeup without going in debt. Love you. Have a good day.